here in China, there is a Sufi, also the descendant of Prophet Muhammad. Today we are in Langzhong City, Sichuan Province in China, and here we are at the Baba Masjid. Baba came from Arabic language, and in Chinese Sufism, it means the respectful term for the spiritual master. And here in this masjid, Baba specifically refers to the 29th descendant of Prophet Muhammad, who is called Sheikh Abdul Rahim. So here you can see from the plate, 仰止 in Chinese, actually it comes from Confucianism. In the full term, it's 高山仰止. When you see someone who is as high as a mountain, who is very respectful, you will admire him, but you cannot go there. So that's the feeling of 仰止.